Hey, I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman here at the Heritage Cottage Urban Nano Farm and head grower at Heritage Cottage Seeds. Well, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull off these nets that I've been using to prevent cross-pollination of these Peri Peri pepper seeds. And you can see I've got nets all up on a bunch of my plants here. And I use the nets because I'm growing in close proximity and I don't want insects getting in and cross-pollinating all the different pepper species and varieties that I have growing here. Now, you might say, well, does this stop like the wind, moving pollen around? Well, interesting thing, peppers, like tomatoes, don't require insects to do the pollination. It's all about their complete flowers, and they can self-pollinate themselves. So we don't have to worry about that. All the peppers need is a little bit of a jiggle, which the wind does. They're already formed. I don't have to worry about cross-pollination. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the net, and then I'm not going to put it back on, because any peppers that I leave on the plant after this harvest, I'm still going to collect the seeds. I'll say that they are non-isolated. And the ones that I'm going to harvest today, I can say are isolated, and I can guarantee that they're not going to be cross-pollinated. So that's just some little bit of distinction between some of the peppers that I'm growing here. Now these nets, I'm not sure if I showed a video on pulling the nets off, or putting the nets on, excuse me. But these are just plant protection nets, and one of the things I have noticed is because of the nets, I haven't had any stink bug issues or stink bug pressures. Yeah, I guarantee I will now that I'm pulling this off. But look at these beautiful peppers. I got to get up here so I can pull that off. And I have to say, this Peri Peri plant I overwintered this plant from last year. And so I'm really happy about it, because here we are, June, whatever we are here in June. I am already harvesting peppers from this plant. I mean, this is just great. Now I'm going to pull the stakes out now, because I don't need these, and they are just going to be in the way. Yeah, I'm just gonna lay these down right here. I guess maybe I walked out of frame, but that's okay. I mean, these are just gorgeous. I am so happy about this. Now, pardon me while I take a thumbnail picture. Ugh. Hello, sweetie. What you do? Oh, it's so good. Yeah, I know. I'm here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. I'm taking a picture. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let me get back to picking peppers here. And one of the things you want to be careful of when you're dealing with any kind of the peppers that have any heat is you want to either wear gloves or be very careful and not scratch your nose or scratch anything else until you get your hands washed. But I'm just going to go ahead here and pick these. Come over here, show you these. Look at those gorgeous peppers. And I guess I could bring some pruning shears out, and nip them off, but I'm just gonna I'm just going to pull them off. They're coming off pretty easy. Sometimes the peppers want to fight you, and then you have to cut each individual pod off. But I'm not going to do that. So here, let me go ahead, and I'm going to finish this off. Well, I got to admit, this is a pretty good haul here of the Peri Peri peppers, using some of my custom-made garden baskets. I get these from the Curmudgeon Craftsman. He's got a secret location here in South Mississippi that I've been sworn to secrecy of where it is, you know, on the threat of death, or at least not getting any more baskets. But anyways, I've picked enough. There's still a bunch on here that need to ripen up some more, and since peppers are already formed, no chance of any cross-pollination here. So I'm good with that for another week or so. So with that, hey, this is just a little glimpse into my gardening and what I'm doing as far as producing unusual, you know, vegetables for Heritage Cottage Seeds. I'll put a link in the description to that. And what I do here, hey, this is real world gardening. Let's grow better together, okay? We'll see you next time.